Apple to offer bigger screens on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here's why Apple is gearing up for its next big event, the Worldwide Developer Conference 2022, WWDC 2022, which is all set to start on June 6. The company is also expected to launch its premium smartphones in the iPhone 14 series later this year. Apple is prepping itself for the upcoming events, and there has been no official announcement regarding the details of either iPhone 14 or its upcoming products. The success of the iPhone 13 has sparked immense curiosity among Apple fans and, according to Ross, Apple plans to increase the screen size of the iPhone 14 Pro to 6.12 inches from the existing 6.06 inches. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to be slightly larger at 6.69 inches compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max at 6.68 inches diagonally. Young said that regardless of the minor changes, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will be marketed as 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch smartphones. Reportedly, the change in size is due to the new pill and hole punch design and slimmer bezels on the iPhone 14 models. Earlier this month, a user identified as @shadow_leak revealed the probable specs and pricing for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max models. According to the leak, the Pro model will have 4 storage options: -128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The triple rear camera module will have a 48MP primary camera and two 12MP cameras.